What do you get for $6 million in Lantern Village? Well, for one, you're going to be my neighbor. Lives about 4 blocks from me. Let's go inside, talk to Danielle, and check out the house. Hey Danielle, what's your favorite thing about your new listing here?
Oh, my favorite thing is definitely the ocean view. It's 180 degrees, panoramic. You get city lights at night, sunset, and you just can see all the way down the coast both ways. It's absolutely gorgeous.
It is pretty amazing. Even a little overcast today, it's going to be a nice view. Let's go take a look around.